Make money online just by clicking and reading emails. First, visit the Volotic website. As you can see on its main page, it says earn by reading emails. This website pays you just to open and read emails, and all this at little or no cost. You get 10 cents to 20 cents per email. So for 10 emails, you can easily earn up to $2. When you first love below, you can see here it says earn by reading emails wherever you are. So with Volotic, you can earn by opening and reading emails wherever you are, from your computer, tablet, or smartphone. The choice is yours. This is a 100% free method available in the world. Please comment below and let me know which country you are watching this video from. That way I can create content specific to your region in my future videos. Now all you have to do is to create your account on this website. You can do this simply by clicking the register button here. Then you will go to this page where you have to fill this form. Here you must enter your username or email address and password. For refer, you can leave it blank, but it's better if you have a friend or someone you know who use this website, so you can be referred by them online. It will help them earn more cash from you. The best part is that you can register with other people to do the same. Next, just check these two boxes after reading the terms of service and privacy notice. Just make sure to leave this last box unchecked, as you probably don't want to receive spam emails from this website every day. After that, just click on this register button. You will then receive an activation email. All you have to do is just open the email and click on the activation link. Immediately after doing this, you will receive an email with instructions on how to add this email address to your contact list. You must do this to receive more emails from this site and earn more money. Don't worry, I'll show you how to do it. First, click on the three dots and then select filter messages like this and just click on a create filter. And here we need to store it. Never send it to spam. Categories it as original and also apply filter to matching conversation and then click create filter. After that, click here on contacts, select this email address and then click add to contacts. Now you will start receiving emails from this site every day. Each of these emails contain various advertising links, and your task is to click on these links and get paid for them. Since you can open these emails from your phone or laptop, you can earn money wherever you are. When you receive an email, all you have to do is open it, click on the link, and then a site will open. You have to wait 30 seconds. You will receive the money after 30 seconds. Earning on this site will be different for each country because they send a different number of emails per day depending on the site being advertised and also the country you are from. Residents of more developed country are always paid more than others.